Want some more? Ready? Ready? Look at Daddy.
Yeah. Hey Zendon, how's that cereal?
Ready?
How's that cereal?
We have to run your nose. Another bite. Oh, you got the hang
Wow. Somebody eats like a big boy.
of it. You want some more? I only made enough for like a few scoops.
I think you're going to be a natural eater, kiddo. That comes from both sides of the family, so.
Ready?
It's not so bad, is it? You gonna T-bone now?